Mm, afternoon, option, option. Uh, Here a practice meeting your tutor in the meeting. Take and back and practice the pronunciation I or her of topic that you tutor in the city topic and what dear learner. 3. Show video. Remember to take the station of what meeting. Subtube the video experiencia en activity. Um, 2. 1. Topic and story. Making of the grammatically substitute step in the real activity. You are going to talk about family, work, student, and it that has happened to you for class person. Bueno, hi, my name is Manuel, and I want to tell something that happened in 2020. Um, we were in family meeting playing yoga. My cousin we carry in the game. I'm not bit until my grabber Ralsei tap was open. In that moment, she started with a one then she start live rally so and then speed um have since then every time we play yoga when remember that moment.